Keyavi's given the ability to the IT industry to make data self-protecting, self-aware, but also intelligent. And I challenge people to think differently out of the box. Now that your data is able to be controlled no matter where it goes, who has it, what it does in perpetuity forever, and you can modify anything you want data to do no matter what happens, and data is able to tell you everything happening to it in near real time, how does this change your thoughts about your business? Are you going to spend more time wondering if data is going to be breached? Or are you going to have the assurity that that is no longer an issue? And therefore, what do you want data to think about? How do you want data not to be the conversation, but to be part of the conversation? How do we make data your ally and your advanced capability and your most forward thought and your most forward thinking asset in the world now that it knows how you want it to act, where you want it to go, how you want it to behave, and what you want it to do? I challenge you to think differently about cybersecurity moving forward, because the name of the game has just been changed.